Hello everyone, and welcome to Puzzle Monster Channel. Think you're a true Squid Game expert? From shocking twists to intense games, only true Squid Game fans will survive this quiz. Get ready to put your knowledge to the ultimate test. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming quizzes. Ready to dive in? Let's get started with the quiz. Squid Game is set in which country?
South Korea.
What is the prize money for the winner of the Squid Game? $45.6 billion won. What shape is not part of the Squid Game logo? Hexagon. What is the real name of the main character, player 456? Seong Gi-hun. What color tracksuits do the players wear? Green. What happens when a player loses a game? They are killed. Who is the mysterious front man? A previous winner. Which traditional Korean game is played in the final round? Squid Game. Why did player 456 come back? To end the game. What is the color of the workers' uniforms in Squid Game? Pink. How many people died in the first game? What game involves throwing paper tiles? Dakji. Who is player 067? Kang Saibyo. What is this character's nickname? Thanos. What traditional Korean meal do players receive in Squid Game? Dosirak. What is the first game played in Squid Game? Red light, green light. What shapes can be seen on the guards' masks? circle, triangle, and square. Who betrays Ali? Sang-woo. What color are the invitation cards? Big brown. What is the real name of original 001 player? Oh Ilnam. Which game involves cutting a shape? Honeycomb. What tool do players use in the honeycomb game? Needle. What happens if player refuses to play? They are shot. What is the name of the detective? Hwang Chun-ho. What do VIP members wear? Animal masks. Which game involves a glass bridge? Glass stepping stones. What is the shape of Gaihun's Dalgona in episode 3? Umbrella. What color ribbons do the coffins have in Squid Game? Pink ribbon. What does Seong Gi-hun dye his hair? Red. What kind of mask does the front man wear? Black mask. Who is the first player to die? Player 324. What organ did the workers secretly trade? Kidney. How do players earn money? By surviving. Who is the oldest player? How does the detective enter the game? In disguise. What animal mask does VIP4 wear? Tiger. Who gets the deciding vote to end or continue the game in Season 1? O Ilnam. What shape is the hardest in the honeycomb game? Umbrella. What weapon do the guards carry? Gun. What is the secret organ trade about? Selling organs. What do players call O Il Nam? Old man. In Season 1, what is the final round score? One to 0. Which of the shapes worn by guards represents the highest level? Square. How are Hwang Junho and the frontman related? They are brothers. What is the name of this game? Six-legged pentathlon. What reason did the frontman give for being in the game? His wife is ill. What did player 333 use to kill Thanos? Fork. What number does this player have? $149. Who killed Jung Bae during the rebellion? The front man. What is the name of this game? Mingle. Jun-hee has a stomach ache. What is causing it? She is pregnant. Who saved Jun-ho from drowning after his brother shot him? Captain Park. What number does this player have? (007). Who kills Deok-soo? Han Minyo. What is the lowest guard rank? Triangle. What is the name of this character? Daeho 388. What is the game's main rule? Play or die. Which player was a YouTuber before joining Squid Game? Myung G 333. How many years have passed since season 1? Three years. What caused player 196 to panic? Bee crawling on her neck. How well did you do? Share your results in the comments below. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.